All right, I'm back at you with another Milwaukee tool video. Here to show you all my Milwaukee tools and my HVAC tools. Basically, HVAC tool video with Milwaukee, the brand for the power tool. So let's give you a little run through with my little tool table. Table I have set up with my tools on it. See, as you can see over here, got a couple chargers to the left, a couple of Milwaukee accessories. Starting off with the light, charger light. Got a knife. We got the charger right there. They use to charge both ports. All 3 ports plus the GFI. 3 ports including GFI. I got a little small 12 battery, 12 volt. Little accessory, that's all. Starting off with the power tools. We'll give it a little bit more light. As you can see, I got the Milwaukee light, rocket. And then 10, we got to pack out with the radio. Level. Beetle bag, tool bag. As you can see, we're starting off to the right side. We got the Sawzall brushless. I had to burn up on you real quick. You always want to ride with the full fuel. You know, that's my favorite. It never burns up. The brushes will burn up when you just turn it into the warranty there. Long as it's within 5 years, that's your brand new one, more than likely. I just got this one brand new. I sent that on warranty. This hammer drill brushless that burned up on me. Yeah. So basically, starting off the big Sawzall, and we got a mini Sawzall fuel, and we got mini Sawzall. We got a mini Sawzall fuel 18, M18, and we got the mini Sawzall fuel M12. So big, little, you know, small. Small ones getting them tight corners real nice, real light too. All right. There you have it, the Milwaukee Lithium M18 M12 Sawzall. There you go. Start off in this section. We got the PVC cut. These cut 3-inch pipe. Let's see what this is. These more than 3 inches, but let's go up to like 3 inches right here. Cut that big pipe, you know. 12 and 12. All right, and the next line, you got the big hole hogs, so you put them between them right here, like if you're doing like this, so you're going upstairs. I mean, basically, you want to go between joists like that, boom. Hole hog, any kind of hole, you put bit on that. 6 inch, 3, 4, 2, hole hog. You got slim hole hog, Wi-Fi. Some of these, the 22 tools like these, some of them got the Wi-Fi ones coming. Got the 1/2 inch mid torque, take off it for the car tires. 1/2 inch mid torque, Milwaukee. Yeah. We got over here, got a compact drill, got a compact. Latest one before the 22 pipeline. This is the one that came out last year with the 3. Going ahead, 3 gone, 3 modes. Infield, both, that's a field too. We got the hammer field. Over here we got the big hammer drill, nice. Nice grip to it, small. Fuel M18. And then you going through bricks, walls, and all that. You want 18, 12, something small like copper cutter. These cut like 7 3/4. One cut 3/8. It's M12 too. Ain't enough for that. Like I said, I put this on warranty. We got this back from warranty the other day. Just gave me a brand new one. Like I said, brush this hand. You know, I'm building niggas. I'm doing some duct work, so there you have it. I'm on my Milwaukee tools right here. Go, you see it? I'm about 12 I'm on there. I'm missing 1 or 2. But yeah, got more in store to come. Everything 22 pipeline, Wi-Fi. Plus, like I said, got the pack out radio. Pack out with the radio. All right, let's move to the HVAC tool. First, we're gonna start out with a hole cutter. We're doing some duct work. Hole cutter, I think it's about 12 inches. Then we want to go up to 21. I should meet out, do some electrical work, testing. voltage, microfarads, continuity, you know, ohms, temperature, all light stuff. Electrical meters, electricians meters got a little bit more high voltage they testing. We only going 220. It's my Mako cutter, Melco, cutting that duct, soldering furnaces. It's my hefty Vito bag, best bag in the game for any trade. I don't care what it is. I'm a Milwaukee fan, what kind of bags, nobody better. Vito, baby. You know, front pockets. Keep little extra tools in, shredder remover in case some shreds go bad, you're gonna need that. Always keep that. Got the booking on mini ducters, one things got different heads to screw on. You need this for a mini ducters carrier. It should be so everybody different. You got little zips in the front. You know, it's a nice bag. Got the hammers on side, sheet mount hammer. All these tubes spins about $60. Regular hammer, little Husky cheap now. Everything here, $60, 60. Crimpers. So I'm doing duct work. Got sheet mount 2 crimpers. You got your rights, left, green left. Upside down, 90. Sometimes upside down, 90. And left. You know, see, they got this bag. He make a bag for each brand, and each trade. This bag is for HVAC. Got electrician and everything. I mean, it fit all our tools in there. You know, I'll put that in there later. Got notch some canvases out. You know, got the bulldogs. You know, so all these things.